Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by entering cool mountain and heading straight to the snowy interior. This saves time and avoids optional objectives. Once inside, make precise, long jumps up the slope and use a crouch landing to lock momentum so you don't slide back. Move through the door to the penguin room. Position Mario to the right of the slope, because that angle reduces bounce. Keep momentum steady, and make sure to correct small skids with short hops. This sets you up for the next sequence. Now search the room methodically. Hug the walls and sweep with the camera, because the baby often nests near the mother or tucked under ledges. Once you find a likely spot, slow your walk to avoid startling it. The game registers proximity, and gentle movement prevents accidental reset. If other penguins block view, perform one controlled ground pound to nudge them aside. This won't harm the baby, but frees your line of sight. Make sure to keep the camera slightly elevated, so the baby's small model isn't hidden by shadows. With the baby visible, approach slowly and halt when Mario's hands reach out, pressing a picks it up reliably, so don't rush the final step. Once you have it, walk back to the mother's marked spot and face her. Press it again to complete the delivery and earn the star. If the baby clips through geometry or your controls feel unresponsive, first reset the camera. If that fails, leave the room and re-enter. As a last resort, soft reset to the last save to correct persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.